in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Jefferson County in central New York, Lewis County in central New York, northeastern Oswego County in central New York, until 6 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Adams Center to near Barnes Corners to 8 miles northwest of Redfield to 12 miles southeast of Pulaski, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Fort Drum, Carthage, Lowville, West Carthage, Adams, Redfield, Herrings, Pine Market, and Adams Center. This includes Interstate 81 between exits 42 and 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Here are the 4 p.m.